Hey guys, how you all doing? So in this really quick video I'm going to show you how you can install the Tailwind CSS into your React project without doing any random bullshit. You know what I mean. So just for your convenience, I'm going to create a React project right now so you don't have any issue. Okay, so I'm going to create a React app. It will take some time and I'm going to do the fast forward, so bear with me. Okay, so now it's done. Let me just open the directory, open my VS Code into the folder, select folder, and now I'm going to run the npm start to start the server. Okay, let me just delete the let me just wait, let me just show you what I mean. So command root. Okay, so now it's up and running. Let me just delete all these moving things. Where is it? Let me delete all these CSS, but keep the index.css file. Okay, we need this. So let's go, sorry, yes, index.css and app.css as well. Remove this as well and go to index.js. Remove this as well and just have a command. Why the snippets are not working? Hello from Tailwind. Okay, so no CSS applied. Now we are going to install the Tailwind CSS. So let me just open the home page for you. Get started, framework guide, React app. Okay, so we already did this part. Now we are going to do this part. So open a, just let me just delete this, new command prompt, copy and just paste this. Okay, so this thing as well. By the way, I did this thing and it gives you the tailwind.config.js file, but if you just do this plus dash full, it will give you a full configuration file with every little fonts and everything. Okay, so just a quick tip. So now it's ready. Let's just copy this thing. Okay, sorry, go to your tailwind.config.js. So now we have pasted this thing, which what it does is it takes all the content from src folder, which is this, and do this thing. I don't know what it does. Okay, so just now copy this thing and paste it into src/index.css, which I have told you earlier. Okay, you can delete this app.css file, but let's just keep it for now. Okay, now just run this npm run start. Let me just read it from here. So as you can see that Tailwind has applied. Let me show you something so you can understand that yes, it is working. Like class name, text center, font bold, text for Excel, padding 40. Yeah, this is enough. Okay, see. So hello from Tailwind. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like. I really need it. Thank you.